video I'm going to cover the topic of how do we know that we're after finding the right satellite using our Telestar Satplus meter. This might sound like a strange question given that we're using a professional meter, we've searched for a particular satellite and it's giving a reading, so surely we're on the right one. Well, you know, it's a common misconception and it's a common failing, we'll say, right across professional satellites, that instead of actually searching for a satellite, what you're looking for is a particular transponder on that satellite. So we'll say if we took the Astra 2 satellite, it's made up of 77 transponders. But some of those transponders, those exact frequencies are also being used in other satellites. So if we're looking for that transponder on the Astra 2 satellite, but the signal is actually coming off of Astra 1, there's a real possibility then that we'll get a false reading. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm just going to demonstrate, let's say, how to get a false reading and how to avoid this as well. So in this case, we're going to use the example of an Astra 1 satellite and also an Astra 2 satellite feed here. So starting off at Astra 1, I'm just going to go into the satellite dish symbol here and the TP search. And what I do is I'm just going to come down to Astra 1 and I'm going to look for the transponder here. So this is the transponder 10744 and it's giving a very strong signal reading here. But if we exit out of here and I come back up to Astra 2 and I come down here and I come down and look for the same transponder here, once again it gives a strong reading. So you might say to yourself, well, how do I avoid this happening? What you need to do is you need to find the transponder that's unique to that particular satellite. So in this case here, what we're going to do is I'm going to come up here and I've chosen the transponder here, 10714. It's actually channel 4 transponder off Astra 2, and it's not giving a beep here in Astra 1 because this is not a transponder that's listed inside the Astra 1 transponder list. But if I come along here and I disconnected the Astra 1 satellite here and reconnected the Astra 2, which is going to give a signal here, it's immediately giving a strong signal here. So we know we have it. And indeed, if I come along here and I just selected here the blue and then just select true, what we're actually able to do is we're able to bring up the actual satellite picture, and this will be the ultimate proof to say yes, this is indeed the signal we should have pulled. So that's it anyway, an overview of how to ensure that you're actually selecting the correct satellite on your Telestar Satplus meter.